the video out.
Hi students, on this worksheet here we are going to do some puzzles. It is very fun to do. If you find them difficult, please do not worry about it because we are going to do this together. Alright, let's do the first one. Look at the pictures over here. This is letter sound P. P. And then we have plus over here. P and ink will be pink. P, ink, pink. Let's trace the word pink first. P, I, N, K, pink. Right, next we have number 10 and T here. 10, T. It will be tent. 10, and then T. Tent. Next one, we have S and this one is a top. S, top. Let's write the letter sound S. And then top, T, op. The word will be stop. Stop, stop. Next, we have letter sound sp and then a picture of a ring. Sp, ring. Let's write down s and p first. Sp. And then the word ring. Spring. The word is spring. Next, we will do the next puzzle, but this time we take away the sound. Look at the first picture. If you see a cross, it means we take away that sound. Okay, so this is a picture of a hand, but then take away letter sound. So it will be end. Let's trace the word end. And next one, take away s, snail, snail, but do not write letter sound s. Snail without s will be nail. N, A, O, nail. Next, this is a picture of a clock. Clock, clock. Take away letter sound k in clock, so the word will be lock. O, k, lock. Next, This is a picture of a train. 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 Take away letter sound T. The word will be rain. A N. Rain. Next one. Changing sounds. Here we have B, and then here is a picture of a nest. Nest. Take away letter sound N in nest, so it will be asked. So B, asked, will be best. Let's trace the word best. Next one. Here we have letter sound B. Let's write B first. And then we have a picture of a fox. Fox. Take away letter sound F in fox, so it will be ox only. So the word will be B, ox, box. Next one. Here we have letter sound S-N. Let's write S-N first. S-N. And then here there is a picture of a rake. Rake. Take away letter sound in rake, so it will leave with ache. And the word will be snake. Last one. We have letter sound P here. Let's write P first. P. And then there is a picture of a carrot. Carrot. Take away letter sound K in carrot, so it will be only arrot. Arrot. If you join P and arrot, the word will be parrot. That is the end. So students, that was the puzzle that you need to solve at home. Remember, when you are doing your work, ask your mom or your dad to take a picture and send it to me. That was from me for today. I will see you again in the next video. Bye!